this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to double crochet. You want to start with a slip knot and 12 chains to make a 10-stitch swatch. You can check out my other videos for tutorials on how to make a slip knot and chains. Also remember that the loop on the hook does not count as a chain. To begin, you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. So not counting the one on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook, and you will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull all the loops to the left and pull up 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you've actually created your first and second double crochet. The chains that we skipped over are your first double crochet, and the one we just made is your second double crochet. Most patterns will tell you if the chains at the beginning or end of a row will count as a double crochet. So continuing on, yarn over again and insert your hook into the next V or chain. Yarn over, pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we'll repeat this across. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Next one, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we'll repeat this across till we get to the last stitch. So we will work the last double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the last chain, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. When you get to the end of your first row, you want to chain 3 and turn your work. And now the chain 3 will count as the first double crochet of the next row. So we're going to chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and then flip our work over. So we are not going to put a double crochet into the first stitch of the previous row. We're going to yarn over and we're going to go to the second stitch. Insert your hook through both the front and the back loops, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you have created your first and second double crochet of the second row. You want to continue across, so just yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch of the row below, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And just continue across. When you get to the end of this row, you will yarn over and insert your hook into the top of the stitches that we skipped at the beginning of the first row. Sometimes you kind of, especially if you crochet really tight, you have to go in with the crook of your crochet hook and kind of scoop up that last stitch. The last stitch will only have one loop. You won't go through 2 loops. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And simply repeat row 2 as many times as you wish. For the third row, we'll do the exact same thing as the second row. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, yarn over, and insert your hook into the second stitch of the row below, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you've made the first and second double crochets of this row. And then just continue across, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we've gotten to the end of the third row, so we're going to yarn over, and you're going to want to insert your hook into the top of the chain 3 of the row below, and you can do that by taking your hook and going in backwards, I guess, and inserting your hook like that. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you've now made 3 rows of double crochet. If this video helped you, give us a like and subscribe. We are Hooks to Hooks on Instagram and TikTok.